When all 8 of us arrived at the Deerwalk campus, we were greeted by hot lemon with honey prepared by Kedar Dai and Rabin Dai. Soon after we finished the hot drinks, we headed to the van and Rabin Dai drove us to Jangunarayan temple. The effect of 2015 earthquake was vividly seen around the temple area. A few photo poses, a brief worship, and soon we started hiking. The trail was pretty simple, and the view of the mountains on a clear November sky was really breathtaking. For many of us, it was not the first time to Nagarkot, but definitely the first time to see such a beautiful mountain range, clear and refreshing. We got a chance to see the goats playing Singori, and Rudra and Chris could not resist giving it a try. They were very cautious not to hurt each other. Surendra offered his share of peanuts to a monkey we met on the way. We were amazed to see how skillfully he took out the nuts to eat and threw all the peanut covers at the side of the trail.
The monkey will look up and not waste any time.
When Surendra saw a swing, he ran towards it pretty fast and started swinging first, after which most of us tried to show our swinging skills.
हाम्रो गाउँमा चाहिँ रुखमा हो
After about 4.5 hours of hiking, we decided to call Robindai and got into the van. In no time, we reached Club Himalaya at Nagarkot. Finally, Chris did an impromptu modeling.
I hope you Nepalis never take the natural beauty of your country for granted. Gorka.